A technical support specialist plays an essential role in helping customers and employees troubleshoot hardware, software, and network-related issues. These professionals serve as the first line of assistance, ensuring smooth operations and quick problem resolution. Since they act as a bridge between technology and users, a combination of technical expertise, communication skills, and patience is crucial. In this video, we'll discuss some of the most common interview questions for a technical support specialist, along with sample answers and helpful tips. This guide will help you prepare thoughtful, confident responses that demonstrate your problem-solving skills, customer service mindset, and technical proficiency. Understanding the role of a technical support specialist. A technical support specialist is responsible for diagnosing and resolving user problems, maintaining IT systems, and providing clear instructions to non-technical individuals. They often assist customers via phone, chat, or email and may also provide on-site support. The role requires familiarity with operating systems, networks, and common software applications. Beyond technical know-how, strong communication and patience are key qualities, as specialists frequently deal with frustrated users who rely on them to resolve issues quickly and effectively. Employers look for candidates who can troubleshoot logically, document issues accurately, and follow escalation procedures when necessary. Preparing for this interview means understanding technical fundamentals, customer interaction techniques, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Question 1. Can you describe your experience in technical support? Here's how you can answer. I've worked in technical support for X years, assisting users with software installation, hardware troubleshooting, and network connectivity issues. I have experience using ticketing systems like Zendesk and Jira, and I always focus on resolving issues efficiently while maintaining a positive customer experience. Tip: focus on both technical knowledge and customer service experience. Question 2. How do you approach troubleshooting a technical issue? Here's how you can answer. I begin by gathering all necessary details from the user to understand the problem clearly. Then I replicate the issue, analyze potential causes, and test solutions one by one. Once resolved, I explain the fix in simple terms and document the steps for future reference. Tip: employers want a structured thinker. Show your systematic and logical problem-solving process. Question 3. How do you handle an angry or frustrated customer? Here's how you can answer. I remain calm and listen carefully without interrupting. I acknowledge their frustration and reassure them that I'll do everything possible to solve the issue. Once I understand the problem, I provide clear explanations and regular updates until it's resolved. Tip: highlight empathy, patience, and professionalism, key traits for any support specialist. Question 4. What are the most common technical issues you've resolved? Here's how you can answer. I've handled issues such as software crashes, printer connection failures, password resets, and network downtime. I've also assisted with system updates and antivirus configurations. I always document each case to identify recurring problems and improve support efficiency. Tip: demonstrate a range of technical exposure and proactive follow-up practices. Question 5. How do you prioritize multiple support tickets at once? Here's how you can answer. I prioritize based on urgency and impact. Critical issues affecting multiple users or systems come first, followed by individual or low-impact requests. I also keep users informed about expected resolution times to manage expectations effectively. Tip: show time management skills and the ability to balance workloads efficiently. Question 6. How do you stay updated with the latest technology trends? Here's how you can answer. I regularly read IT blogs, attend webinars, and take online certification courses to stay current. I also engage in forums and community discussions to learn about new tools, updates, and troubleshooting methods. Tip: employers value candidates who show initiative in continuous learning. Question 7. Can you explain how you handle escalations? Here's how you can answer. When an issue goes beyond my scope, I document all findings and troubleshooting steps before escalating it to the next level. This ensures the senior team has complete context, which speeds up resolution. I also follow up with users to confirm that their issues are fully resolved. Tip: emphasize teamwork, accountability, and communication. Question 8. How do you ensure data security while assisting users? Here's how you can answer. I follow company data protection policies strictly, avoiding access to unnecessary files, verifying user identity before assisting, and never sharing sensitive credentials. I also educate users on basic security practices, such as password management and recognizing phishing attempts. Tip: highlight awareness of cybersecurity protocols and user confidentiality. Question 9. What tools or software are you familiar with for technical support? Here's how you can answer. I'm experienced with remote desktop tools like TeamViewer and AnyDesk, ticketing systems like ServiceNow and Zendesk, and diagnostic tools like Wireshark. I'm also familiar with Windows and macOS troubleshooting, Active Directory, and basic networking commands. Tip: mention specific tools relevant to the company's tech environment. Question 10. Why should we hire you as a technical support specialist? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I combine technical expertise with excellent communication skills. I'm patient, detail-oriented, and committed to helping users understand and solve their problems. My experience in troubleshooting, customer support, and teamwork makes me a strong fit for your IT environment. Tip: end with confidence. Summarize your strengths and enthusiasm for the role. Preparing for the interview. When preparing for a technical support interview, balance your focus between technical and interpersonal skills. Review the basics of operating systems, common software, and networking fundamentals. If the company uses specific tools or systems, familiarize yourself with them in advance. During the interview, listen carefully to each question and provide structured, calm, and thoughtful responses. When describing problem-solving experiences, use real-life examples that show your technical ability and customer service mindset. Employers appreciate candidates who show initiative, attention to detail, and a desire to continuously improve. Additionally, practice explaining complex technical concepts in simple language. This skill will set you apart as someone who can effectively communicate with non-technical users. Final thoughts. A technical support specialist interview is not just about demonstrating what you know, it's about showing how you apply your knowledge to help others. Employers want professionals who can combine logical troubleshooting with empathy, patience, and effective communication. By preparing well, reviewing common interview questions, and practicing your responses, you can project confidence and competence. Highlight your technical proficiency, problem-solving process, and dedication to customer satisfaction. Remember, success in technical support depends on both skill and attitude. Show your enthusiasm for helping others, your adaptability to new technologies, and your commitment to providing dependable IT assistance. With the right preparation and mindset, you'll make a lasting impression and stand out as a capable technical support specialist ready to deliver reliable service and technical excellence.